If you want to turn off your OnePlus 15, but you cannot use the touch screen, for example, it's broken, it doesn't work anymore, and if you want to power off the phone, you don't have to really wait for the phone to drain the battery. What you can do instead is we can use the recovery mode. But in order to go there, we have to perform a little trick. First, we need to force restart our phone. So we need to press and hold the power button and the volume up button. We need to hold these two buttons at the same time. And then once the screen turns off, you want to press and hold volume down button. We will have to hold it until we are in the recovery mode. So I'm gonna press and hold power and volume up and just patiently keep holding this button. I mean, these two buttons actually. Usually after 7, maybe 10 seconds, the screen turns off, and now press and hold volume down. And now just keep holding volume down all the time. Even if you see OnePlus, you should be able to still, well, you should keep holding, and there we go. Now we have the language selection of the recovery mode. So in here, we can use volume up and down in order to navigate in this menu. So you want to choose English, there we go. We're gonna go to the recovery mode in English, and over here once again we can navigate to power off, and we can confirm by using the power button. And there we go. After that, once you see the menu, you want to use volume up once and confirm with the power button. It probably won't be highlighted, so you cannot really tell if you select the OK option, but since we cannot touch the screen, I assume you won't be able to tap on OK. So you will have to press volume up once and then confirm with the power button. Now, if we turn the phone back on, I'm gonna check if we're gonna go back to the recovery mode, because there is a chance that we will do that. So we will see if we go back to the recovery mode or if we just go to the normal mode. But in case we go to the recovery mode, I guess we don't. Okay, so the phone turns on normally. However, if you for some reason go back to the recovery mode after turning it back on, in order to exit the recovery mode, you can just choose reboot device, and it should work just fine. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.